Hunan Techray Medical Technology Company Limited, specialized in PSA, modular oxygen generator system, which includes researching, designing, manufacturing, sales, installation, and after-sales service, focusing on the environment purification filed. The quality is not only the core of the enterprise, but also the guarantee of the quality. Techray have passed ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and so on, which covers an area of 10,000 square meters. The large-sized medical oxygen generator system is an oxygen source for large and middle-sized hospitals. In particular, the fourth oxygen generator, which researching and developing by ourselves, adopts the modular technology that can customize the tower diameter and height of molecular sieve. At the same time, the system uses high-efficiency lithium molecular sieve as absorption material. It can protect the molecular sieve with circulating air blow technology and molecular sieve layer technology. Make sure the system can work well on harsh environment, such as high humidity, high temperature, high salty, and plateau section. The innovative integrated medical oxygen generator system, all in one type, one key start, no installation. Techray donate to provide the best oxygen supply service for customer. Our medical oxygen generator system have more than 100 technology patents and get CE approved, which provides high-quality service to more than 2,000 hospitals in China. In addition, we have cooperated with 36 countries in international market.